You're doing everything right, eating clean, working out, avoiding junk food, but the scale? Not moving. If this sounds like you, you're not alone. I'm about to reveal the top reasons why you're stuck and how to fix it fast. Let's go. First, you're not eating enough protein. Protein keeps you full, builds muscle, and burns more calories during digestion. Without enough, your metabolism slows down and you lose muscle instead of fat. Focus on lean poultry, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, and lentils. Aim for a palm-sized portion with every meal. Second, you're drinking your calories. That glass of wine, soda, or fancy coffee. They're packed with calories but don't make you feel full. A single latte can have 400 calories. Swap them for water, black coffee, or herbal tea. Add lemon or berries to water if you want flavor. Third, stress and lack of sleep are sabotaging you. High stress releases cortisol, which makes your body hold onto fat. Poor sleep messes with your hunger hormones, making you crave junk food and slowing your metabolism. Manage stress with meditation, walks, or reading. And aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. This combo is a game changer. Fourth, you're dehydrated. Water suppresses appetite, boosts metabolism, and reduces water retention. Yes, drinking more water actually helps you lose water weight. Aim for at least 8 glasses daily, more if you're active. Fifth, your portions are too big. Even healthy food has calories. You might be eating nutritious meals, but serving yourself way too much, especially with carbs, fats, and nuts. Start weighing your food for a few weeks. You'll be shocked at what proper portions actually look like. Sixth, you're obsessing over the scale. Your weight fluctuates 3 to 4 pounds daily from water and food. Weighing yourself every day will drive you crazy. Weigh once a week at the same time. Better yet, take body measurements. You might be losing inches even when the scale doesn't move because you're building muscle. Seventh, late night snacking is killing your progress. Those chips and cookies are loaded with empty calories and sugar. Choose Greek yogurt, fruit, veggie sticks, or nuts instead. And if you've genuinely hit a plateau, it's normal. As you lose weight, your body needs fewer calories. Reassess your intake and mix up your workouts. Now, if you're doing all of this and want an extra boost, check out PhenQ. It's a powerful weight loss supplement designed to burn fat, suppress appetite, and increase energy with scientifically backed ingredients. PhenQ works best alongside a healthy diet and exercise. Link is in the description if you want to learn more. So there you have it, 7 major reasons your weight loss stalled and exactly how to fix them. Remember, weight loss isn't linear. Stay consistent, track measurements, not just the scale, and trust the process. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more weight loss tips. Comment below which tip you'll try first. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.